Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on registering for Remedyforce online training. The Remedyforce online training courses are made available to all of our Remedyforce customers at no cost. This is because the Remedyforce customer enablement team wants our customers enabled and empowered. There are a few simple steps to get going with the training, and this video will walk you through that very easy process. There are two main resources to help you register for the online training. The first is the registration how-to guide that is provided to you by your Customer Success Manager. And the second resource is the education website itself. So let's get started reviewing these two resources. The registration how-to guide walks you through the steps to register for the online training. It highlights for you the information that is not required and the information that is required to be completed. One of the most frequently asked questions a CSM receives about the registration process is, what is my support contract ID? That information is actually not required for new customers to simply access the Remedyforce training. And you'll notice here in the guide that you only need to start to populate the information in the third section under User Information. And the guide also walks you through what happens upon submission of your registration and confirmation of your information. It highlights the emails that you will receive and the action to take when you receive them from customer care. And finally, it highlights the activation process to select your security profile icon upon logging into the education website. And then a final validation, and you're ready to go. I'm going to walk through some of those steps right now to get you started. So the first thing I'm going to do is navigate to bmc.com education. And as a new customer, I'm going to click on Customer Account Setup. And you're going to recognize the form that you saw in the how-to guide. So according to the guide, I'm going to skip the first two sections. Don't need my support contract ID. And I'm going to begin to complete the information in the User Information section. So as you can see here, completing the information, setting up my password, my personal information. And when I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and click the button for Accept and Submit. It's important to note as well, if you have any questions during the registration process, you can click on the Chat Now button and be connected with an education assistant. So once you've completed all the information, the submission is sent to the education team, and you will receive those email notifications from customer care with the next steps and the completion of the activation process. So then you're ready to go to access the training materials. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So once I've registered, I'm going to navigate back to bmc.com education, and now I'm going to click on Learning Paths. And I'm going to search for BMC Remedyforce training. And click the link. And here on the form, you're going to see two important sections. The first is a matrix that lists for you all of the WBT or the web-based training courses that are available for Remedyforce, as well as helpful roles and responsibilities to help you prepare for planning for training for your teams. So you can see here, as an example, administrators are recommended to take all of the online training. And if you navigate further down the page, you'll see those roles with some definitions of their responsibility to really, again, help you decide which training is appropriate for your teams. So once you've determined which course you're interested to take, you're going to go ahead and click on the link. And you're going to be presented with some high-level information about this course and the modules and what you're going to be learning. And when I'm ready to go, I'm going to click on Request. And here you're going to recognize this screen as well from the how-to guide. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in. And you'll see my security icon that I chose is populated. And click Sign In. And it's going to bring you to the BMC iLearn page. I'm going to search for the course I selected, and I'm going to click Register. And then I can see it here. It's been activated. I'm going to click on Open Curriculum. And here I can see those modules listed out. And when I'm ready to go, I'm going to click on Activate. And then you're going to see the button choose Turn to Launch. I'm going to go ahead and choose that. And my course is going to load.
Welcome to the BMC Remedyforce Summer 2014 Change Management and Release Management course. This online course,
and that's an example of one of the courses that's available to you. And that completes this video tutorial on how to register for the Remedyforce online training. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Customer Success Manager. Thanks for listening.